from a friend of my wife's. Now the friend had this lovely Pentax MX camera that was sitting around doing nothing, and because she doesn't do photography, they were just trying to get rid of it, and it's just arrived in my hands. Comes with this lovely, I think this one is, yeah, that's the 50mm 1.7 lens, so I'm gonna have fun with that. But I've also got two more lenses with it. I've got a 28, and the 28 I believe is 28mm 2.8, which will be fun. And then I've got as well, pull that away. In this, I've got a Carl Zeiss Jenner lens, which is, again, this is 80mm to 200mm. Oh, it's lovely. It's 4.5 to 5.6, so it's not the fastest of lenses, but it's really nice. And see what I mean? You push and pull it rather than twist, and obviously focus it. But they're dead clean, there's no fungus anywhere. I'm really excited to use them. So, what I've done is I've been ordering some stuff from a very cool company called Analogue Wonderland. This arrived yesterday, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's open it up. Yeah. And what? Nice sticker. Ooh. So I've got a packet of Ilford HB5 black and white. I believe it's ISO 400. I've got this in my Olympus trip at the minute. To be honest with you though, my Olympus trip, it's not had that much film through it. I've had it since I was 14 and it really should have been used and abused, but it's not been. And then also got some Cosmo Photo black and white mono, so called a negative film. So I'm going to try this one out. And this one it's only ISO 100, so we'll see how we get with that. I'm really excited to have a play with these. So I was trying to, I'm umming and ahhing which one to start with. I'm going to start with a 400, just because it's October. It's really dark, and yeah, let's face it, it's so dark at the minute that a bit of ISO 400 would be really useful. Pull that one up there, and it opens like that. Now, can you tell I don't do this very often? So I'll pull that back down. And there's the film. So that should be now. That is showing on number one. It's already on ASA 400, so it should be ready to go. I'm really excited. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to put that down like that. Like that. That's it. There we go. Cool. So I'll let you know how I get on. I'm really excited.